So number 5 I have Oshabada, 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 Oshabada. Oshabada by Mudra and Ava Peace. I'm really happy Mudra is helping out Ava. Ava is a very beautiful talent and she's also beautiful. Mudra, thank you so much. Kubanga girl you're posting and Agamba. This girl has just graduated. Namugamba, you know what? I'm gonna give you a hit as your gift, as your present for graduating. And guess what? It was a hit. But it was a very big song. Yeah, Ava Peace, big up Mudra. And then number 4, I have Bega Bega, Bega Tuye, Bega Bega. But the baddest Palazzo. Why I have a lot of Palazzo in my list. First of all, let me tell you something brief about Palazzo. Palazzo is my mentor. When I am back via John Black, everybody. Again, I talk blowing. People call it blowing. We are blowing. Palazzo na pereza message. You know, hey Jowelanda, I want to work with you. I was like, really? Wait, manya bana bale abagala okubanga bakolako n'abayimbi ab'amaanyi ate nga nali naakava ku ssomero okitegeera gayi nampa netandika okukola nampa hit and that song olimba nze nasooka okukola sabasaba mwena mulumanyi it was a hit okitegeera. So I love Palazzo so much. He's one of the people who believe in me like big time. So Palazzo y'omu ku bantu abanzikiririzaamu. I talked to him now, I know Jowelanda. It's your time to shine, never give up. Never let anyone put you down. Big up, King of the East. One love. And then number 3, I have Saba Saba by Jowelanda. I Jowelanda. Me. And it is, most people tell me it's their favorite song. African girl, African girl, it is my first song at a hit. Guess who wrote the song? Palazzo. Palazzo yani volume by Kenini. Era yangambira mu studio, you know what? No hits. Okitegera namugamba imba nga omanyi nawe akayimba kakasose. Naba gojala bojja kungamba. Mugamba natuyamba olimba ne lufuuka lw'amaanyi. Palazzo yaluwandika and then it was produced by Diggy Bauer. Diggy Bauer, yeah, he's one of the biggest producers we have here in Uganda. And then guess who made the video? Sasha Vibes. We used one of the best, actually one of the best director. One of the best directors in Uganda. Yes, Sasha Vibes. So guys, Coco, tuzina Coco manjamu. We don't give a damn with Coco manjamu. Okay. So guys, I'm still talking about Saba Saba. And you know why we named this song Saba Saba? Most of the people told me Olimba Chemal to African girl. Kubanga chorus egamba. Baleke fila kunze African girl. Neo kumanya na fetwala bantu Olimba ramani. We decided to name it Saba Saba. Umai Saba Saba kitegeza. Umai zine mundu zineneze. Idi amini ze wako bisezo. Saba Saba. Because it was a big song up to now. Abantu baliyita timeless hit. Olimba lwakuba nze kenyini nali waka after like 4 months ne bampa show Freedom City nengendo yimba kati nali ngamba banani agendo yimba oluyimba ngo manye bitu bya management abayimbi tubeera mu nyumba from ogenda ku interview ogenda wa kati nagenda bakuba oluyimba banaye and everyone was shouting azoka nenyimira nengamba Olimba Ramani. I have a lot to talk about that song. Naye Olimba Ramani mabale kundagala avugoma kubanga wakava kusomero nokuba hit. It is luck. I call it a blessing. And I always tell abayimbi abato abatanda baku blowing and don't give up. God is watching, and anytime you're gonna blow and you're going to become a superstar. Kagwa mumani because I sing abanga rujelu wachikolotia nze mbagamba. It was a blessing ate n'okulemerako n'okwekkiririzaamu ng'omuntu. Tubalaba nkyaliwo and I'm inspiring abaana abato abajja abayimbi. And I'm telling you this, don't give up. Because I didn't give up. So on number 2, I have Waya Waya by Jowelanda. Guess what? I love this song because one, it was written by me. And this is the first song I've written because most of my songs are not written by me. So let me tell you a brief story about it. I was in studio with the producer and we're trying to create a vibe but who is going to write the song? And he's like, come on, you can write. Bro, I'm not a writer. And he's like, just and then I'm creating some harmonies. And he's like, you record it. You record everything you imba. Jesus Christ, boom! Actually, and he gave me reasons. Like Twitter gave into Ngabira Coachella, you can also tell me that's why to him back wires like where you go, where I am so that it goes to Alanga Boyagala. For him, Boro, in a way, is a management, and then after a while, like 2 weeks into shooting a video it is full of wolves. Wolves is eating boy, but a video one. I shot here almost 3 hours. Oh, my time, Jagala Kukula, what and one Kurukia. The one number, you know, Ziragala, Lucy, come down, Lucy. But the video came out nice. People appreciating the song. Yesterday I had a performance. And I was like, wow. And everyone was just shouting, wire. So Olimba producer Alukoramita temperature touch, producer Wakarinyo, and he's international. The video director is called Alan Soldier. Yeah, he's one of the best directors we have in Uganda. Yeah. So that is why for you. And then my number one is I Am Bada by Jowelanda featuring Grenade Official. You know why I chose it as my number one? Of course it is the biggest song in Uganda right now. So, you are Bada and I am Bada. We are bigger. Bela Omochimanyi Oliwa Kabi. Norimba twaluyimbira abantu okwekiririza nti you're Bada, you're bigger, you're better. Tokirizanga omuntu okussa wansi. Kati n'oluyimba I always wanted to work with Grenade. My Grenade twakola n'oluyimba mweri time ye waliwo time Grenade we yalinga ayokya nnyo. Yalina zino zibabandana, you know those okitegeera buli muyimbi yali ayagala okukolako naye. Kati luckily I got the opportunity to work with him. Thank you, Jeff Chiwa. You made it happen, and my manager, DJ Roger. Yes. So we went to studio. Netukola oluyimba. Jeff nangamba gwe jankuwe hit. Naye wate wayogera. Tuga mu studio vibe yali high. Tukola oluyimba nga lw'amaanyi. I'm telling you, this song is big. Buli wotuuka I am Bada, I'm Bada. Katutegeera. So Grenade naye mimbi wakabi vibe yali amaanyi mu studio. Manyo kola n'omuntu nga naye already nade abadde ayagala okukola naawe ebintu biba bitambula bulungi. Manyo olwo omuntu gwokola naye kolabo nga temubondinga bulungi tutegeera. Naye guy wakabi Grenade ali so simple. Akugamba Jowelanda no yimba bwoti okola bwoti kyakabi okitegeera. Takulaga tagezaako kussa wansi. He's a very nice guy. Ate olimba erafuluma. We started performing it together. Like ng'abeerawo ng'angamba, you know, I have a big show. Wandizine tuyimba, newe musanga ku shows tuluyimba. There's a way it helps oluyimba okola ki okutambula. And right now oluyimba lw'amaanyi. Banange. Wenjogera amaanyi oluyimba lw'amaanyi. Thank you, Grenade Official. I love you so much. So that has been Jowelanda for you. I love you so much. Those are my top 20 songs on your 20. I love you. You can check out my music everywhere. Social medias, Instagram, Jowelanda, Facebook, Jowelanda. Nina kaimba akapya bakaita Rolex. Go check it out. Abakazi weziba Rolex. Zendi ya majane. Chine chiwato chine mubelinji. Toyo ya So my number one song is I Am Bada, Bada. But you know why this song is my number one? Because we are bada, you are bada. So don't give up on yourself. Let me tell you something brief about this song, how we came to do this song with Grenade Official. Yeah. So my manager told me I'm going to work with Grenade Official. I was like, what? By that time, Grenade Diana zinenyemba babandana uzimanyi zali zikuba gwomanyi okola n'omuyimbi nga all time omuyimbi waba nga ali ku fire. So guy was on fire. So they told me I'm going to work with him. I was like, oh my God. And then we went to studio with Jeff Chiwa. Oh my, that guy is so much respected. So when you come to studio, you can do it. Kati Jeff nangamba gweno hits. I got calls from people, everyone was calling me, every man, because twakola oluyimba leero ekiro enja neekera nga balutadde kati ningamba kiyimba kyolina ngamba mbada ningamba mbada, but we just recorded that song, but the song was out and people loved the vibe. I was really happy ningamba banange, so we had to shoot the video. Grenade has been supportive. Twakola oluyimba n'alupostinga naye nga alupostinga aluperforminga wetwesanga ku shows tuluyimba ffenna netukola video Alan Soja yagishootinga video yali yakabi and people loved the song. Oh my God. And I want to thank Jeff Chiwa, DJ Roger, my boss, and Grenade Official. You made this happen. I have one of the biggest songs in Uganda right now. I'm really, really happy and I appreciate everything. Never funny bag. Thank you so much for supporting me from day one. Very kusaba saba, okomanjam up to now. You're still there. Yeah, may God bless you more and more and more and more. And if you want to check out my music, you can go on Instagram. I use Jowelanda, Jowylanda. Facebook Jowelanda, Twitter Jowelanda. Nina kayimba akapeba kaita Rolex. It is out everywhere. Abakazi weziba Rolex, zendi ya majana, chinechi wato chini mobelinji. The video is not yet out, but it is going to drop very, very soon. Negena ku YouTube. Take a Rolex by Jowelanda. Kayimba kalabe kalaikinge, subscribe everywhere. TikTok ogendo koleka challenge. Rolex. I love you so much. Thank you for loving me and supporting me.